Morning guys, just waking up. It's a broth kind of day. Out the blue, we're having this like weather that's not going to get over 70 degrees. I need a haircut because we're shelter in place, can't get it done, might have to trim it off myself. But anyway, I'm going to share how I make broth.
Here's the filter, and just going to turn the water on. See, there you go. I'll fill this up with water, and let's see if I can do this one-handed. Here's one of the bags that I saved. Actually, my mom saved it for me. And what I do is just take these bags. Let me turn this water off because that's going to make noise. So just take this bag right here. Dump all those yummy parts of vegetables that you don't really cook with. And then I'm going to cook that all down and then strain it all out. There we go. Strain that all out, and we're going to have some incredible vegetable broth that I'll can. Man, look at that steam pouring out. Look at that boiling. Wow. Gonna have some veggie broth pretty soon, guys. Awesome taste, and best part of it is basically free. Hey guys, put a little bit of seasoning in. I already put some pepper. That's some garlic powder. And I'm going to put a little oregano and a few other things in it. I'd like to tell you how to measure this one, but the problem is it depends on how much leftover frozen veggies you have, how much water, and so this one you're going to have to kind of season it to taste. I can give you some ideas, you know, pepper, oregano, all the seasonings you like, you add. I don't have any natural oregano yet. Hopefully we will soon, so I'm using this dehydrated one. But that's the general idea. Forgot I had some cumin. I'm going to put that in there. There we go. Bay leaves, I had 2 left, so the bay leaves are going. Parsley, I'm going to use a lot of parsley because that'll get strained out, but I want the flavor. So guys, we're checking out the broth. Getting my little spoon here. I don't know why you can't see. Oh, there it is. Put a little broth in, see how this tastes. Still a little bland, need more seasoning. Got some organic black pepper. There we go. Put that in. Just a little bit of heat with just a little curry powder. So we mixed all that up. Now it hadn't had time to really cook down. There we go. Got just a little bit of it. Let me blow on it, cool it off because it's really hot. Here we go. Yep, starting to have some seasoning. We'll let it cook about another 30-40 minutes and check it out again. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys, I got my strainer, extra pot. One's been cooking. I got these real heavy mitts. What I'm going to do is dip this in. Like this. I wish I could smell how good that smells. Awesome. And all this is, I said frozen vegetables, what all this is, it's like when you do your onions, it's the leftover onion peels, you do your carrots, it's the carrot tops. Just all your fresh vegetables, the parts that you don't use when you're cooking. You save them, put them in a 1-gallon freezer bag, and just throw them in the freezer. And then when you get enough, like this, you just ball it down. Right here. See the little carrots? All the onions. That's why I didn't want to put a ton of parsley in there, because it'd be wasted. There we go. Turn this off. Put this over here. Well, it's still dripping. Let me put this out a little bit so it don't burn the rubber. Kick this on because in a little while I'm going to can it all. I was going to use all pipes like here, but what I'm finding is that I'm going to have like, I don't know if y'all can see that with this deal. My broth is like right there. So I got this much broth. I'll have way too much, and it's too late unless I want to stay up really late tonight to finish canning. So I'm just going to switch to quarts. And it was a really good idea, but it's not going to work. I've already got a third of this left, and this is full. These jars don't perfectly fit, so we'll go with what I decided to do. Since I have all this extra broth, I'm just going to make me a vegetable soup. I'm making a soup. This is onion tops. There we go. Oh, sorry, some onions for the soup. There we go. Canning operation. Listen at it go. Hey guys, I went ahead and made broth last night, and if you noticed, I had it under a towel. My grandmother used to do that. My brother remembered. And you press on here to make sure it's sealed. And all these sealed. Let's see. These sealed. And I had too much broth, and I had a little bit of vegetables, so I went ahead and made vegetables. One didn't seal. Wow, this one didn't seal, but it's still hot, so it'll be good.